Damn, the humidity's like 1,000 right now. Jesus. Yeah, I'm thinking we were gonna have a nice cool morning. Damn, if it weren't for humidity, it'd be nice, but God. We're gonna have a break from the 90-degree weather for a while. Might be a good idea to do up your helmet D-ring before you take off. Luckily, nobody's behind me. Right. Sneak up on you, sneak up. I need some airflow. God damn. Don't do it, don't do it. Okay. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Motovlog. D-Cycle here, Monday morning. Of course, not excited to get back to work, but totally excited to be back out on the bike. I wanted to apologize. I haven't been doing many videos as normal the last few weeks. Had a few things going on the family side. Kind of pulled me away from riding. It's all good, though. Now, I've been trying to commit to about 2 videos a week, but last couple of weeks it's only been about 1. Hopefully we get back onto that. It's really been dependent on the weather, and you know, I got my kids to go to daycare 2 days a week, so those days I can't ride my bike. I got to take my car to work. And then we got a new puppy a little over a week ago, and then she got real sick the first week we brought her home. So we've been busy with that too. But anyway, my topic for today's video is why do I motovlog? Now, one of my very first motovlog, I kind of had an idea where I was going to go with the channel, but of course when you're new to doing this, you have an idea, but the status quo can always change. You may have other ideas that come up. I know that's what happened with me. Now, I know there's lots of reasons why people do motovlog. You've got, I think there's just some people that just want to hear themselves talk, people that want to get internet famous, people that actually want to help out the motorcycle community, which that's great too. I mean, however you do it, man, if you got success, that's awesome. But for me personally, I know in that first vlog I just talked about promoting local music and this and that, and you know, the last month or two, I haven't been doing too much of that. I haven't really had too many bands come forward and say, hey, could you promote my music? Or, hey, I got a new song. Can you promote it for me? Just, it hasn't worked out too well. So I've just been throwing in some copyright-free music, and that's kind of been the score of my videos. But I also wanted to kind of introduce the vlogging world to the rural Midwest. But of course I haven't been out, besides commutes, I haven't been out too much. I mean, I've gone on a few rides here and there that aren't a commute, which I hope's not getting monotonous to you guys. I'm sorry if it is, but sometimes this is the only chance I do have to ride. But when I do, I usually have plenty to say. So why are things different now than they were back in February when I started doing this whole thing? Well, let's go back a little further. Ever since I was little, I loved creating videos. Whether it was like little stop motion animations with a simple camcorder, or you know, me and my friends goofing off making dumb parody videos or whatever. That was always very fun to me. You know, when I hit high school, I was big into video editing because I took a TV class. It's just kind of a filler my senior year, and actually ended up being one of my favorite classes I took all through high school. And then when I went to college, you know, video editing was kind of a part of my curriculum, and I just kind of kept up with it ever since. And you know, doing the motovlogs, I could do it a lot more. I think if I turned back the clock and I changed, you know, my whole career choice, I probably would have done video editing, because I actually have a fun time doing it. And I have a fun time doing this too. But I guess since I started doing this back in February, it was just kind of a, hey, I've got a motorcycle, I like doing videos and stuff, maybe I'll just put two and two together and, you know, start motovlogging. Well, I mean, things have changed a little bit. You know, I started doing the whole charity thing as a part of my channel. I'm selling my t-shirts, and you know, I went on the charity ride, and I've been real big into that, and it's very fulfilling for me. I love helping people out, especially people in need. So I guess you could say now my channel is kind of a hybrid between what I wanted and kind of like a charity channel almost. I mean, I'm not totally committed to charity for it. I want it to be the channel to be a little more interesting than that. But motovlogging, I think, is some sort of a calling that I can use to help other people also, you know. You know, you got some motovloggers that, you know, they're big in how-to videos and this and that. That helps out the motorcycle community. I'm just wanting to help out the community as a whole, you know, the people that need help. And I never had intentions for this channel to be 100,000 subscribers and, you know, me goofing off and that was never the intention. But I do have to say that I know there's only 140 of you that have subscribed to the channel, but I appreciate every one of you, and I've gotten a lot of good feedback on videos lately, a lot of conversations on video topics, and I hope that helps I hope that helps other viewers too that haven't subscribed, you know, that look through the comments, that try to see what people are saying about the videos. And keep in mind, I am not an expert on motorcycling by any means. I am not a mechanic. I don't know everything about everything. I never claim to. I never will claim to. So I don't want you ever to think that I'm coming off as an expert in any topic. I mean, it's just, usually any motovlog is just somebody's opinion most of the time when you have a view on a topic. But yeah, I'm still big into the charity thing, and also showing you that you can have a good time motovlogging in the rural Midwest. Now, don't forget, this weekend we have the food truck event down at Ted's Harley-Davidson in Alton. That is this Saturday, July 21st from 12 to 3. Gonna have a few local St. Louis food truck companies or restaurants that are going to be participating. It sounds like a good time. Me and my wife are going to be going. She should be making her YouTube debut this Saturday. And I also got a guy I haven't really seen since high school. He's going to be meeting us about halfway and riding down there with us and partaking in the event. So it'd be good to see him again. Alright guys, that's about all I got for today. Make sure to hit me up on social media. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. Make sure to hit me up if you want to buy a t-shirt. They're $15, shipping's extra. It helps out Heidi Foundation right now, local charity that helps people with special needs. And I think I'm going to be getting some stickers made soon. So, any of you guys might be interested in getting some D-Cycle decals or stickers or whatever, hit me up in the comments. Maybe they'll get a small batch made up and get them out to you if you want them. You guys take it sleazy. I'll see you later.